Welcome to the Jan classes. Today we will learn about the table tag. To do any programming, first we have to imagine the output. So in the output, the table is shown in which the 4 rows are created. To do the programming, we should open the notepad first, and the notepad we will write the HTML tag. So in the HTML, opening HTML, then closing HTML. Closing HTML. In the closing HTML tag, the body section is there. In the body section, because in the body section we want the table, that's why body section we took. After that, we will took the table tag. Table tag open and table tag close. Table tag close. In the table, we have to create the 4 rows. So first row we will create tr, then again tr, यानी \tr. Okay, in the tr we have to put the content or the data. That's why serial number, input and the output in the first row. So td and \td. TD stands for the table data in the first serial number. Okay, control S. In the D drive, HTML final, third tutorial, again dot HTML, all files. All files save. Due to this, the first section will be created. But we wanted 3 sections. Okay, in the second td, again \td, serial number, then input device, then output device. Input device and output device. Okay, let's save, and where we have saved the program, just open it and we have to run that program. So D drive, HTML final, third tutorial again. Okay, serial number, input device, output device, but table is not shown because we didn't save the, or we didn't set the borders. So set the border equal to 1, 2, 3. You can take any number of border. Okay, so again refresh this. First row is created. Now we have to create the second row. So take another tr tag. Tr is the table row. To close the tag, tr, \tr. Okay, in the second row, again put the data. So to put the data, td tag and again \td. In the second row, we want 1, then again in the td section, \td, first one is the keyboard, second one is the monitor. Okay, first control S, the second row will be created. Second row is the created. Now we will create the third row. Again tr tag, again closing tr tag. In the opening and the closing tr tag, we will create the td tag. So 1, second and third one, closing and closing, td tag. Second, mouse, and third, printer. Okay, let's save this program. Alt tab F5. Second row is created, third row is created. Now fourth one. Again, to create the row, we will create the tr tag, tr, and to close the tr tag, we will take tr tag. In the tr tag, we will take td and \td. Okay, we have again 3 contents are here. So 3 contents are here. Okay, 3 td tags are here. Two is done. 3, joystick and plotter. The output should be clear to in your imagination. Okay, after this you can do the programming, otherwise you can't do the programming. Okay, I have created the table. Now I want this table in the middle of the web page. So in the table tag, I will align this table, align equals to center. Control S, again refresh this. Okay, now I want the background of this table as yellow. So bg color equals to yellow. Control S, again refresh this. Now I want the first row as a pink, second row as the blue, and the third one is as a purple. Okay, so the first row as the light pink. The first row bg color equals to light pink, double quote complete. Control S, Alt tab F5. No, first row is second row we want as a pink. So Control X. Second row, Control S, F5. Okay, second row as the light blue. Second row as the light blue. Control S, 5. And the third row as the purple. So in the third row, purple. Control S, F5. The height and the width should be maximum. So I will set the height and the width of the table. To increase the size of the table, we should set the height and the width. Height should be 30%. You can set any measurement. Okay, width equals to 30%. Control S. Just refresh it. Okay, now I want this row in the bold section or heading section. So I will set this kind of row row as the heading. Okay, so I will table heading. It is replaced by the table heading. This one is also replaced by the table heading. This one is also replaced by the table heading. TH stands for the table heading. Now table heading. Again table heading and again table heading. Control S. Alt tab F5. Okay. The font size should be maximum. So I will set the font size. So font size equals to 18. So I will put the font tag here, and to close the font tag, I will set the \font. I will set the font. Okay, size equals to 18. Control S. And here also the font should be the maximum. So font tag and again font tag close, and again size. So size equals to 18, and here also the size. So font tag close, font tag and font size equals to 18. You can change the style also, face value also. Okay, designing is up to you. Okay. The height and the width should be maximum now. So I will put the 40% and width also 40%. Control S. Will tap F5. Okay. We can put the keyboard and mouse in the center position also. So mouse and the keyboard in the center. So align equals to in double quote center. Double quote complete. Control S. By doing this, the keyboard and the monitor value should be in the center position. So again refresh this. Okay, again align should be center. Copy. This should be in the center. Paste. Control S. Tab. Function 5. And the last line should be in the middle section or center position. So again here we will put this property again. Control S. Alt tab F5. Okay. Now again see the output screen. This one is created. Now we will create the second table. For creating the second table, again use the table tag, and table tag is close. In the table tag, we have to create the one row. That means tr tag open and tr tag close. In the tr tag, we have to create only one row in which the color red and green quantities are there. Okay, so td tag open, td tag close. Okay, third quantities are there. That's why we will write the 3 lines. Okay, first line, second line, td tag, \td tag, and the third line, td tag and again td tag, \td, in which colors colors, then red, then green. Okay. By doing this, the one row is created in the another table. In the another table. Okay, just refresh this. One row, we didn't set the output screen, sorry, border. That's why we will create now border, table border. Okay, table border, border equals to, we will keep the 3. Okay, Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Okay, but which type of table we want? We want like this, means one row is divided into the 2 section. That's why we will use the row span. Okay, the first row is there. Okay, first row is there. So TD color should be divided, the color should be divided into 2 parts. That's why row span equals to, in which, in how many parts? In 2 parts. 2 TD section. Control S. Okay, just refresh it. Okay, but color should be in the 2 parts, so green should be in the next row na. That's why green, where is green? Here is green. Okay, so TR tag should be close here. TR should be close here, and the new TR means table row is starts from here. So TR tag. Okay, Control S, Alt Tab, just refresh it. Okay, we got this, but height width should be maximum because we want a big table or huge table. Okay, so height equals to 20% and width should be 20%. Control S, just refresh it. Okay, now we want this as a red color and this as a green color. So set the BG color. Okay, TD BG color equals to double quote red, Control S, and in the green BG color equals to green, Control S, Alt Tab, just refresh it. Okay, we get this kind of output. Now we want this kind of output. So again create the table. Again create the table. Again create the table. Table tag, closing table tag, closing table tag. In the again create the first row. TR and TR tag close. In the TR tag, TD tag is here. TD, closing TD, first TD. Okay, 3 contents are there. That's why copy and then paste, then paste. Colors red, green. Again colors red, green. Okay, but Control S, Alt Tab, but we didn't save again, we didn't set again the border. Okay, so set the border. Border I will keep 4. Border equals to 4. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. We want this table as the right side or in the middle. We will set the align equals to center. Double quote complete. Control S, Alt Tab, F5. Okay, now the color is in the first row and the red should be in the column section. So we will divide the red or the color into the column span. Okay, so color should be in the column span. Where is the color? Color TD call span equals to, in double quote, 2. Okay, column span, control S. Then the first row, we want only the row as the tr na, that's why we will close the tr tag, and the new row is starts from here. So tr, control S, alt tab, just refresh it. We got this. Okay, the height and the width should be maximum because we want a bigger table than previous. That's why height equals to 40%. You can take any measurement. Okay, width equals to 40%, control S, again refresh this, F5. Okay, we want color in the middle, red in the middle, and the green should be in the middle. Okay, so set D, align, equals to center, double quote complete. TD should be in the center, align equals to center, and again green should be in the center, so align equals to in the center, double quote complete, control S, alt tab, just refresh it. Okay, now we want the red and the green color is in the red background, green background. So set the background, BG color equals to red, and in the green BG color should be BG color equals to in the green color, double quote complete, control S, just. So we got our output. So I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my video. Thank you so much.